Timesheet will help you recognize how much hours per day you have worked, or keep track on whole bunch of hours from employees. This employee is indirect. We are going to type in daily time in this Excel spreadsheet. You can hit this date and work starting time, and lunch breakout, and in again finally working end hours. The entire column and Ctrl+1 as shortcut key. Go to Format Cells and Date. Use this here. And shortcut keys Ctrl+:, then today date entered. Drag down below then. From Excel version 2017 there is autofill, only workdays possible. Highlight this time input column from VTE. The entire column and Ctrl+1 as shortcut key. Go to Format Cells and Date. Use this here, time, format. Now you can input your real start time to end time. We do is to put in our equal sign and to do an open bracket, and we are always select the end time first. And the subtract that from the start time and without counting on break time, and close that. We press enter but not expected hours. Why is it that because this column is not formatted? Excel is calculating based on 24-hour time period. The way we correct that is we come up here and simply multiply by 24 and we will see this. Go to Format and change to General Format to display rightly here. What we want to do is paste in there is the formula in the entire column. To select J4 as indirect hourly rate, and we are going to multiply that by hitting the star sign by the total hours worked, which was F6. Here important step is that this hourly rate should stay with €35, whatever is in the hourly rate box. So we lock it THs is by hitting F for key, and then hitting enter. In order to get total gross salary here, you input this sum function like this. Remember, to get a right worked hours here multiply 24 and right format. Date column was in date format and hours input cells are time, worked hours as general format was setted. Just post your questions below and I will go back to ASAP. Thanks a lot of watching this video and have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe itself is another energy.